All right, so can you see our book?
Yes.
All right. So in letter C, we're going to discuss the language booster. Can you please read the letter A?
Notice how we talk about past events.
Okay, so we are going to talk about past events. Okay, so it already happened. Okay, like yesterday, last month, last year. Okay. All
Yes.
right. So Kong, I will going to ask you, how was your holiday?
Um.
Did you enjoy your holiday season?
Um. I had a great holiday.
What?
Um. I had a great holiday.
Okay. Mm, all right, that's good. Okay, so we are going to talk about past events. So there are three questions, I mean sentences here. Please read the number one.
I had a great weekend, and the weekend was
Okay,
okay.
I, mm, it was
Um.
just,
I.
okay.
I had.
All right, so the first sentence here is, I had a great weekend. How about you, Kong? Is it a great weekend for you?
Yes.
What did you do?
Mm, I met some friends. Uh,
Okay, so okay, so your answer will, you will get your answer here, okay? I had a great weekend. So what did you do? What is your answer here? You choose.
mm, on Sunday, I met some friends.
Okay, so how about another thing that you didn't do?
I didn't go shopping. I didn't do anything special last weekend.
Okay, very good. So that was talking about past events, okay?
Okay.
All right, so here we go, the listening part. So in letter A, listen. Tom and Jongwoo are talking about last weekend. How was each person's weekend? Complete the sentences. All right, so we are going to play the 36.
Page 73. Listening.
Oh,
A.
I think we already done this one, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let's jump with speak with confidence. Okay, what will you do, Kong? Complete. Please read letter A.
Um, complete the blanks with your four things you did last weekend.
Okay, so you're going to complete the sentences with your answer or four things you did last weekend. Okay?
Okay.
All right, first is, okay, I will put numbers here. Okay, this is number one, something I did alone. What is your answer?
Um, something I did with a friend or friends.
Okay, you will answer first the number one.
Uh,
I will going to
okay.
translate.
Um,
Something I did alone.
Một cái gì đó tôi đã làm một mình.
um, I
What did you do with your own?
um,
You study?
I
What?
I I cycle. I ride a
What?
bike. I ride a
Okay.
bike.
I ride a bike I ride a bike alone. Okay, number 2. What is number
Um,
2? Something.
something. Um,
Something I did with a friend or friends.
I
Okay, what?
I play games with my friends.
I
Play games
with my.
friends.
Okay. Next.
Um,
What's number 3?
I
Something boring I did. Do you understand that?
and yes. Let me think. Uh,
Okay, okay, you can.
I
Something boring I did.
I uh,
What are the things that you feel like boring?
I
Hmm? How about eating?
read the books.
Oh, read a books. Read a books. Okay, next, number 4. It's number 4. Something interesting I did.
Um,
Something interesting I did.
I watch TV.
Hmm? What's the
I
thing
watch.
that you did that is so interesting?
Um. Oh, I watch TV.
What?
I watch TV.
Okay. Watching?
TV.
Or I watch TV. Okay, so we are going to check all your answers. Number 1, what is your answer? Something I did alone. What's your answer,
I
number 1?
I ride a bike.
Okay, number 2.
I play games with my friends.
Number 3. Something boring I did.
I,
Reading,
I read
reading what? Books. Okay, number 4.
um I watch TV.
Okay. All right.